I just adore for the number sublime. I love to draw for, it's just an angle and a line.
Okay, my fine feathered friends, I call this meeting of the Bird Club to order. Order! Why is he here again? Because my dad made me accept him into the club. Okay, well, anyway, the time has come to discuss our yearly Birdie Bird picnic. Ooh, yes, our annual picnic. We eat food and play lots of birdie type games. Now then, who is going to bring the bird seed cookies? Cookie! With cookie! Me and cookie! Cookie! Cookie Monster, no, we don't have cookies. We're planning a picnic. Can me come to picnic? Sorry, Cookie Monster. This is for our bird club here. Ooh, look at the birds. Oh, well, me sorry. We go to Monster Club. No, wait. There no meeting today. We guess, we go to the pantry. Bye-bye. Kermit said to stay out of the pantry. Oh, never mind. But anyway, who's bringing them? I'll bring them. Okay, thank you, Daffy. Who is bringing the birdseed burgers? The picnic is not complete without the burgers. Ooh, me and Blue will. We know a good place. Alrighty then. Okay, now who is going to bring the punch? How I would like to join. Hello, bird. Oh, hi, Snuffy. Well, what's the matter, bird? Well, Snuffy, you see those birds up there? Oh, yes, I see all those little birds up there. Well, I want to join their club, but I don't think they'll want me. Oh, why would you say that, bird? You're a swell fella. Yeah, but the last time I tried to get into a bird club, I was bullied. It was not fun. Well, don't worry, bird. You know those birds. They'll let you join their club. You just gotta ask nicely. You got a point. You know what, Snuffy? You got a point. I'll do it. I'll go ask to join the club. Good. Well, I'd love to see if you join, but I got to go meet my mommy at the park. See you later. Okay, Snuffy. I'm gonna do it. Okay, now what sort of game should we play at our picnic? Should we play frog jump? Or should we play I don't know what other games are there. Excuse me? Who's that? Oh, Big Bird, hello. What can we do for you? Well, can I join your club? You wanna join our club? Yeah, sure. Oh, well, okay, I understand. Wait, I could join? Of course you can join, you're our friend. Yay! What? But, first, you have to pass the Bird Club initiation. The Bird Club initiation? That is right. What's an initiation? Initiation, it's kind of like a test to see if you can join our club. Oh, well, okay. Good. Birds, I gotta go take this Big Bird and do his initiation. While I'm gone, Birthday Bird holds down the fort. Come on, Big Bird. Okay. So, what dances should we do at the picnic, huh? I'm partial to the birdie mambo. Okay, Big Bird, now it's time for your first test. I want you to fly from right there all the way to the top of the dresser up there. But I can't fly. Oh, yeah, that's right. You can't fly. Oh, I know. You can jump or climb using the handles. Just as long as you make it to the way top. Okay, I'll try. Bird, just use the handles. All right. Here I go. Oh. Almost there. Oh, whoa. Wow. I'm here. I made it. Hey, I made it. I made it. I can see that now. Come down. Come down. How am I supposed to get to it? Ah! I'm okay. Thanks for breaking my fall. You're welcome. Ow. I had to keep a close eye out for Cookie Monster. I heard he's another one of his cookie hunts, and I don't want him to eat all my cookies. I really gotta go to the market and buy apples. It won't take long. Okay, Big, follow me. Now, I lent Waluigi a red pipe cleaner, and he hasn't given it back to me. So, next test is to go in there, use your birdie-like skills, and look for it. Birdie-like skills? I don't know. Just go look for it. But isn't that stealing? No. It's not stealing. I'm taking it back. He never returned it. He wasn't. I shared, but he didn't share it back. Oh, well, that's bad. Okay, if you say so. Whoa. Any luck in there? No, not yet. But I think he was mopping the floor. You okay? Yeah, I'm good. Ooh, there's some nice china. You know. Oh dear. It'll be okay. Keep looking. Oh, wait. I see it. Oh, good. Bring it up. Is this it? Yes. Thank you. Alright, follow me downstairs and we'll do your next test. Okay. Yeah. Woo. Alright, got some fresh apples. Hop back. What happened to my china? I was mopping the floor. Maybe something slipped and knocked out the shelf. Good thing I got dish insurance. Yes, that's a thing in our world. Now I can go to the kitchen and get my nice, delicious double chocolate chip M&M cookies. Cookie! Oh no, get a cookie! No cookie! No cookie! No cookie! My cookie! No! Okay, sit down, Big Bird. Okay, now it's time for the third test in the Bird Club initiation. Who is doing that? Well, what's the third test? Hold on. Hey, Grover! I need a Sprite. Yes, boss! Thank you. Okay, your test is to drink all the Sprite in this bottle in 20 seconds. What? Hey, all the other birds did it and they're in the club. Oh, alright, I'll do it. Good. Now, we just need somebody to do the counting. Did I hear somebody say they need help with counting? Oh, good, count. Do you think you can count to 20 for us? My pleasure. Oh, wait till I say go. Oh, of course. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There. 20 seconds. Well, thank you, Count. No problem. Toodaloo. Is there a pipe organ playing around here? Big Bird. You did it. What's wrong? What's the matter, Big Bird? Say something. Ugh. That was one very loud birdie burp. I love it. I'm tired. Look, Big Bird, I know you must be tired, and I know we've had a lot of tests, but there's really one more test in the Bird Club initiation. Who is doing that? Seriously, okay, count. Is that you? I know you got a pipe organ. Count. Never mind. What's the last test? The tweet test. The tweet test? That's right. We're gonna do a little musical number. And I am gonna ask you to repeat some tweets to see how good your tweeting is. That sounds fun. Yes. So, let's do this. First, I will tweet, and then you tweet. Okay? Okay, good. Here we go. Tweet what I tweet. Tweet after me. Be my echo if you can be. Go tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, coo, coo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo. Google, Google, Google. Google, Google, Google. Be my echo. Be your echo. Tweet what I tweet. Tweet what I tweet. Follow the leader and tweet after me. Very good. Thank you. Well, not so fast. We're going to do it one more time just to be sure. Okay, here we go. Tweet what I tweet. Tweet after me. Be my echo if you can be. Go tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Ka, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ka. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, coo, coo. Cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Be my echo. Be your echo. Sing what I sing. Sing what you sing. Follow the leader and tweet after me. Sing cockle, cockle, doodle, doodle, doo, doo. That was very good, very good. Now, let me just tell you my results, and I'll let you know if you're in the club. Oh, I hope I'm in. Oh, I'm nervous. What if I didn't make it into the club? What if they don't like me? Wait a minute. Wait, no, that's... Oh, Snuffy. Hello, Bird. What are you doing here? I just took the last test and I'm waiting to be initiated. I mean, finding out if I'm in the club. What are you doing here? Oh, I came for some cabbage juice. Gordon sells cabbage juice here? Oh, yes. Now look, Bird, are you still nervous? Yes. Oh, don't worry, Bird. You will be fine, I'm sure. I hope so. Okay, Oh, hello there. Yes, hello. Snuffy, I know you like Big Bird. He's your best friend. But, we can't play right now. He's in the middle of a initiation. Oh, yes, I know. I just came to comfort him. He's a little nervous. I see. Well, I'm about to give him his results right now. Oh, well, you go on ahead. I'm gonna go to your bar and get some cabbage juice. Oh, yes, we just got some in. Oh, good. Well, toodaloo. Good luck, Bird. I always like that little music he makes when he walks. Yeah, me too. Well, Big Bird, I have one thing to say to you after going over all the results based on the tests. And you are in the club. I'm in the club. Yes, you are in the club. Congratulations, Big Bird. Yay! I'm in the club. I'm in the club. I'm in the club. Big Bird. Save the party till after we get back. Oh, yes, let's go. Right. I swear to God, if he does not stop right now. Hey everybody, I'm back. About time. Don't get your feathers in a notch. You know what happened. Hey, wait a minute. Where's Chicker? Your dad picked him up and took them home. I see. Well, everybody, I'm sorry I was gone so long, but please welcome our new member. Oh, so Big Bird got in the club. Yep. I hope you all treat him with kindness. Of course. So now, let's continue planning our picnic. What game should we do? Can we at some point say the alphabet? I would get angry at that, but seeing what kind of character you are, I'm not going to. Yes, brother, I missed the time you can do the picnic. Oh no. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I don't care if he's the leader's brother or not. Come back here. No, better come on, control your anger. Oh no. Pardon me, is this the Money Lovers Association? No, the Money Lovers Association is just 2 blocks that way. Oh, thank you. And the big red. Dude, leave my brother alone. This is definitely one interesting club.
Subscribe!